Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use summarize function in Power BI with a simple example. This is a sample data set which I've created for this particular example. So in the column A you have salesperson name, and in column B you have position, and C you have daily sales target. Column D you have daily sales, and E incentive percentage. So the problem here is I want to calculate the incentive amount. So how do I do that? So I need to multiply column D with E so that I get the incentive amount received by each of the salesperson. So this is pretty straightforward if you are doing in Excel, but if you are trying to do in Power BI, sometimes it might be tricky. So let me quickly load this data into Power BI and see how we can use the summarize function. As you can see here, I have loaded this data in Excel to this Power BI desktop version. So the table name, I have called it as sheet 1. So let me quickly create a measure here. And this is the first method. Let's see if the simple method can give you the right results. So let me call this as method 1. Oops. Sum of sales, daily sales times sum of incentive percentage. Let's see if I get the right numbers. I'm getting 35 for intern. Let's go back to the Excel and see what are the numbers actually are. Let's do a simple math here. Daily sales times incentive percentage. Let me drag this one. If you look here, right, so I'm getting sum of 16.5, right? But if I go back to my PBI, I'm getting almost double of this. So something is not working. So what happens is like the Power BI, it's combining the daily sales target of these two salesperson and then multiplying with the sum of the incentive percentage, which is not right. So we need to find other way. So the numbers are incorrect. So the method 1 definitely doesn't work. So let me try to use the summarize function. So add a new measure. And then call it as, let's say, method 2. I'll be using the summarize function. So select summarize your table. This is your table, sheet 1. And I want to group by the lowest level of data, that is the salesperson name. So I want to summarize this table based on salesperson name. And then I want to give it a name. I need to let me call this as a temporary table, temporary expression. And then create expression sum of daily sales times sum of incentive percentage, close the parentheses. So this is the temporary summarize function I've created. And now I need to add one more function called sumX and then call back the temporary KPI or the table name which I just created. So hit enter. So let me add this one here, method 2. I'm getting the right results now. I'm getting 16.50. This is what I had in my Excel. So this summarize function is working as expected. So you can see the difference between the method 1 and method 2. So the method 1 will not perform correctly if you are trying to multiply with a percentage or something like that. So this is how the summarize function works. This was just a simple example. There are many complex advanced ways to do this. This is just for beginners to start with. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.